Hello, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daydran. Did Masicka sign with Def Jam Records? Well, news circulated over the weekend after the Genocide boss released his latest single Pieces on Friday, which sees Def Jam being credited as the source. E Prime reached out to Masicka's rep for details and confirmation of the deal, but they remain tight-lipped. Now, last Thursday, Def Jam announced at a press conference that DJ Khaled would join its team. Khaled takes up the role as their new global creative consultant for UMG. During the press conference, Khaled shared his vision for his new role.
Besides me putting out my albums and dropping music through We The Best, and we're going to be signing artists, and we're actually looking for some new A&Rs to add to the team. We're going to be doing a lot of big things at We The Best Def Jam. But what I like also about the whole creative consultant thing is that I'm going to be able to touch the whole Universal Music Group, not just in music, but in marketing, music, film, TV, just anything dealing with creative.
Khaled leaves Sony Music, where he was signed to Epic Records. The news follows last month's announcement that Canadian rapper born to Jamaican parent, had to add that part, new role is global artist and repertoire A&R for Def Jam Recordings. And previously worked in an executive position at Universal Music Canada and as an artist to give us his global hit Dangerous with Akon. Now still on deals, artist turned TikTok breakout star Masicka is now signed to renowned Payday Records based in New York, and a publishing deal with Ultra International Music Publishing. The deal will see the artist releasing an EP and an album. Now, according to the release, it'll help to propel the already successful hit single Cute and Neat, which grew to popularity on TikTok in August last year, with over 1 million people using the song worldwide and 1 million streams on Spotify. Now, last September, they inked a deal with another dancehall diva, Aishana. Masicka earlier this month released her latest single, Self-Defense Freestyle. The Grammy track takes another direction from her Cute and Neat trending single and goes dark as it references the killing of social media sensations Slickiana and Donnelly Donaldson. Want a picture? Let me pose for you now. Now, Kimani Marley will join Michael Bolton. Sources told E-Prime that Kimani is set to open for the US superstar at the upcoming Issa Foundation charity event for the children at Couples Resort Hotel Rios. The event is to raise funds for the construction of the Mary Issa Health Foundation. Last November, the Issa Trust Foundation held a fundraising gala in New York, which raised near to US $500,000 for a new clinic in Richmond, St. Anne. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daydran. Thank you for watching.